Matthew chapter 13, verses 1 to 9. Matthew chapter 13, verses 1 to 9. Matthew chapter 13, verses 1 to 9. The same day, when Jesus out of the house, and sat by the seaside, and great multitude were gathered together unto him, so that he went into a ship and sat, and the whole multitude stood on the shore. And he spake many things unto them in parables, saying, Behold, a sower went forth and sowed. And when he sowed, some seed fell by the wayside, and the fowls came and devoured them. Some fell upon stony places, where they had not much earth, and forthwith they sprung up, because they had no deepness of earth. 6. And when the sun was up, they were scorched, and because they had no root, they withered away. And some fell among the thorns, and the thorns sprung up and choked them. But others fell on good ground, and brought forth fruits, some 100-fold, some 60-fold, some 30-fold. 9. Who hath ears to hear, let him hear. And the disciple came and said unto him, Why speakest thou unto them in parable? He answered and said unto them, Because it is given unto you to know the mysteries of the kingdom of heaven, but to them it is not given. For whoever hath, to him shall be given, and he shall have more abundance. But whosoever had not, for him shall be taken away, even that which he had. I think I will pass it. May the Lord bless every reader.
Amen.